Everybody always wants to see my loading process. It's a bit of an embarrassing day though. We got all nasty out there in that rain yesterday, and here we're picking up a hands-on load, kinda. Picking up over here at Liberty Mutual Insurance office building. They built a new one, I think right over there somewhere. I don't know, but anyway, we're picking up some office equipment and taking it to Liberty Mutual offices in Wisconsin. So we've got into the tree a little bit here. So we'll go here and see if we can't just get a sneak peek of the loading. Yeah, okay, you just stack them up there.
Yeah. So every piece is protected with the cover right here, and then this is cover too.
Right
here, and then in between, when all the pieces are face to face, there's going to be a piece of cover too.
Very nice. Yes, sir. Air conditioning. So, yep, they just got them all taken out and ready to load up. Beautiful. These guys are wondering what I'm doing with this camera. Okay, we showed you our load that we picked up. Now we're going to show you we picked up here in Liberty in Dallas, and we're going to take that to the Liberty in Wausau, Wisconsin. So what we are going to do is we're going to run 75 north over here in Texas. My computer's running a little slow. So we're going to run 75 north out of Plano, where we picked the load up. Here, 75 north. So we had a flat right in here where this little cursor is. I think somewhere in here. So that's a whole nother video. So some of the driving footage got put on that video. So touch the tab of our top of the screen if you want to watch that video about the flat tire in case you missed it. But what we're going to do, we're going to run 75 all the way up. I call it running through the woods. It's really nice. It's a nice 4-lane road. And that turns into 69 when you get into Oklahoma. And we're going to run it all the way up here to 44. Here's where we get on. Oh, come on. Come on. So yeah, here's 40. Now we're getting on 44. We're going to run 44 all the way up here to Kansas City. Well, 44 to 49. We're going to run that straight up to Kansas City. I believe, right? Might be speaking out of turn here. Yep, Kansas City. Then we'll get on 35. We're going to run 35 straight up to Minneapolis. We're going to hook, let's just zoom that out. Start doing that. We're going to hook a hard right at Minneapolis. That's the fastest, most direct route And even mileage-wise, you're thinking, well, I mean, this is the way the airplane goes, right? This is the best way to get there, from versus going straight over here and then cutting up, then you get all that. But anyway, so yeah, we went to Minneapolis and hung a hard right, and then went to and then go to the consignee here, Liberty Mutual. So there's that piece of cake, right? Pretty easy run. That was that's going to be 1,101 miles, something like that. So yeah, so there you go. So let's get on it. Let's get her done. See ya. Well, hello world. We have just been taking a long, relaxing, hard run to the north. After the delays yesterday with the loading process and the flat tire, we had to run it pretty hard. I think we shut down about midnight Central Time and took our 10-hour break. Left out 10 a.m. Central Time. Now we're trying to get up here to the Petro in Minneapolis there. Right after you cross out of, where are we, Iowa? I got 1 hour and 8 minutes to go before I need a 30. And I'm going to try to grab that shower on that 30-minute break. If I bust it out, I can do it. It's usually anywhere from, I think my record is 35 minutes. But normally it's about a 45-minute ordeal. But I got the shower bag packed. As long as they got a shower ready, we'll use the app when we pull in there and secure it and run and grab it and then get out. Because we got to go. We're not really that big of a rush. Well, I would like to be at the place at 8 o'clock in the morning. I think the guy actually comes in at 7. I called him and said, hey man, just to make sure you got a crew. He's like, yeah, I got me another guy. I laughed. I said, well, it took 12 guys 3 hours to load it. He's like, is it not on pallets? I said, no sir. He didn't like that. I said, so you better find some more help. Because there's 3 rows stacked up 3 high, front to back. And I got another load to pick up. So speaking of that, I tried working this JB Hunt load that was going to Georgia, and they just wouldn't come up on the rate. They come up maybe $50. But it just wasn't enough. It was way below average market rate, And I sent them in the form of a question that, hey, this is spot market rate on this is $2,700, and they had it for like $2,100 something. And they come back with a one word response like, and okay, whatever, man, and that means you should come up, but whatever. And I reckon they finally covered it. Somebody took that crap. I don't know who it was, but hey, whatever. So, and Lannister had one going to Winston-Salem because I really wanted to go to Winston-Salem because I know there's a job coming up out of Charlotte. And I kind of wanted to put myself in position for that job. But they wanted it loaded at 9 o'clock. I wouldn't budge off that 9 a.m. firm, Well, they posted it 3 or 4 times, and I'm like, look, man, I need a window, Nope, 9 o'clock. Okay. But anyway, so I thought I had another Landstar load going to West Virginia. It was decent money for the weekend. Of course, that fell through. So the Uber app There was a load like 30 miles south of where I unload in the morning. Hold on a second. Okay, so yeah, it was, and it had a window from like 8 to 1400, and weight was listed at 43,000 pounds. And normally my max is about 42 and some change. I took a lot of weight out of the side boxes, blah blah blah. And of course, time I get there, my fuel will be low, so I'll be able to scale the 43,000 easily. But what I love about the Uber app is they don't have anything to hide. They show you who their customer is. So I Google mapped it because it was they listed it as a recycling yard. So I'm not going there, right? Well, anyways, I Google mapped it. It's a tire recycling place, and zoomed in there and it looked like a bunch of pallets sitting around the yard. So I called, because on the Google map, you know, it shows the business. So I called them and said, hey, do you guys, do you you know, you're shipping out palletized product? And they said, no, that it was super size. I said, oh, okay. Do you have scales on site? And they said, yes, we scale you coming in, scale you going out. I said, beautiful, you know. And then I said, what time do you go home? They said, well, normally 3:30, but if you call us, if we're not just covered up, we'll work it out and stay. I said, okay, sweet. So I'm pretty sure I'll make it there about 2, but just in case, worst case scenario, I feel like I got a little bit of leeway. And it was a really good rate. And it's going to Florida, right there at the 10 and 75 junction, which is not too bad because you got Tallahassee one direction, Jacksonville the other direction. And it's currently nursery stock season and what have you. And there's a Landstar broker down there, got some rolling cart nursery, so we might jump on that on Monday. But anyway, so that's what we got going on. Uber load, picking up in Wisconsin on Friday, going to Florida for Monday. So we're just rolling. I think this will be my 3rd weekend out, and we might swing by the house Saturday night. I don't know. We'll see. I'm sure we will. You know. So yeah, we're probably more than likely spend Saturday night at the house and leave out early Sunday morning, and then run on down to Florida. So anyway, beautiful, man. I love it. So we got it rolling pretty good this week, generating a little bit of revenue, stocking up some capital, and because our Italy trip, got to pay for that first week of June, and so yeah, so we got it going on. Anyway, so there's those ramblings, and so we'll see you guys shortly. Well, just when you think you have been everywhere there is to be, you realize you haven't. We had a breath. That was like a super fast run in and grab a shower type deal. Right here in Albert Lee, Minnesota. And I think I've almost my spot. So yeah, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up or not. We'll let you guys see the truck stop as we circle around. Really nice Petro, you know. And so I wished I had time to shop around, but I am up against the clock, man. I gotta get this thing over here to I got just enough time to get there. They don't have like, excuse me, gear, like 10 minutes to spare. I think we go out the same way. So hopefully, that's right here on your left is the hotel. Right here is the back side of Albert Lee Petro. That would be a good one to video the inside. It is really awesome in there, man. Really awesome. So, armrest was squeaking. So yeah, I guess really couldn't see anything, you know. But Volvo did not get that spot. I'm not sure what all they got to eat in there. They got some nice deli cases in there, loaded with some good looking jerkies and meats and all kinds of cool. They got a lot of cool stuff in there, man. That's a really nice Petro. I think they might have a Pizza Hut, McDonald's, something else, and a sit-down restaurant. I said we'll have to film that one day. That's one thing I haven't never done, is filmed a truck stop. Mainly because people look at you funny when you walk around with a camera, you know. But I think at this point in life, we got enough subscriber base to justify being seen with a camera. So maybe one day we'll grow up. But anyway, so sorry you guys didn't get to go with me, but that was a fast, holy smokes, that was a fast shower. And yeah, we ran in and got it done and got out. So we got 330 miles to go still. 330 miles left to run, and it is 6:30. Let's see, I think we got off and hung a right, so that means we got to go up here and go right. So it was that was on the correct side of the interstate. Yeah, they got a Popeyes in there too, man. Popeyes, McDonald's, Pizza Hut. We got some Popeyes chicken tenders to go. Doggone it. Is that a Popeyes? I think so. Anyway, I don't know. Look at the app. I might have told you guys wrong. I don't know. Alright, so there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go to Wisconsin. See ya. Yeah, we're going to cut that video right there. So that's what happens when you don't produce videos for 2 or 3 days. Everything kind of runs together. The flat tire videos and that driving footage was with this video clip. The next video runs into this video, so we're just going to cut the feed right there. So if you guys enjoyed it, we didn't get any delivery footage on the delivery side in Liberty. Got very little pickup footage of the next pickup. Got a few shots, but we'll explain that in the next video. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.